More and more, my patients are coming to me complaining of the lack of sleep, the lack of recuperation, the lack of ability to fall asleep or get to sleep or stay asleep. And they're taking an onslaught of sleep aids, some over the counter, but mostly prescription, and it's creating problems for them. And if the body doesn't sleep, the body doesn't heal, and it creates and leads to all types of diseases and sicknesses and illnesses. Well, one of the main reasons for sleep difficulty is stress. And all of you can appreciate that idea, but we're not aware of what kind of stress. It's the same stress that's creating 80% of our diseases, 80% of our health problems, that land people into my office because the stress creates tight muscles. The tight muscles pulls the spine out of alignment. The alignment issues now create pressure on nerves, and those nerves go to our systems, our organs, our tissues, and they end up causing pain and discomfort and inflammation and injuries and weakness. Well, this is one of the reasons why I speak about emotions. This is one of the reasons that I study quite a bit from Dr. Fleet's Total Health Handbook, The Rays of the Dawn. It's because it talks about the laws of the body, the mind, the soul. You see, brain noise is a byproduct of incomplete awarenesses, incomplete ratios of perception. In this case, right now we're talking mostly about prejudice and intolerance. They're biases, they're judgments. And these judgments, they run rampant in our mind until we balance them. And we think we have sleep problems, but what we have are incomplete awarenesses leading up to disease. I share this because I'm inviting you to study, number one, study what prejudice and intolerance does to the body and the mind. And then utilize its opposite, forgiveness, to neutralize that. I'll teach you how to do that. It's not difficult. We use the laws of the universe. We use the laws of the body, mind, and soul to show you that sometimes what you think the scene is and the situation is not at all of what really is. And to share with you more on that, I want to read this to you from the Rays of the Dawn. It says, "Our false memories of experiences submerged in the ignorant, bound regions of the mind often produce masses of likes and dislikes, ideas of right and wrong, as well as conscious and belief. When called on to answer a question or to make a decision about a subject of which we have only limited knowledge, our tendency is to call up false memories, which then color and sway our thinking. And what should we do? Well, we should instead pursue an unbiased investigation of the facts to guide us in making judgments or drawing conclusions." That's what we're doing when we're teaching. We're trying to help people understand that 80% of their disease and illnesses are coming from incomplete awarenesses. They're coming from biases, from judgments, to emotions, and no one's teaching anyone how to work that out. So that's what we're doing here. We're here to help you do that. If you have an interest, pick yourself up a Rays of the Dawn. Join us for some of our local weekly discussions on how to neutralize these emotions so that we can have better health.